Thank you for joining us today. I'm Tracy Lundell and I'm an investment advisor.
I'm Elaine Pitt-Blado and I'm a mortgage specialist.
We wanted to chat with you today because we're continuing our series of videos about some of the financial topics that we generally cover when we're sitting together with a bunch of folks in a dining room talking about financial empowerment. But one of the questions that comes up a ton is about credit bureau scores and how they work and what are they all about anyway, and how do you even find out what your own credit score is? So I'm going to have Elaine take that one because she's the expert.
There are two private credit bureau reporting agencies in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. Anytime you take out a credit card, an unsecured line of credit, a car lease, your lender reports that liability to those credit reporting agencies. We all accumulate scores over time. How do you pay your debt back on time? Are you behind on your payments? Are you utilizing your credit cards a lot? If you're prudently using debt, you will have a high credit score. That is very important when it comes time to applying for a mortgage, for example. If you have a good credit score and a good history of paying back debt, you strengthen your chances of getting a mortgage approved. One thing that's really unfortunate about credit bureaus is there can be a lot of errors on them. And unfortunately, with the prevalence of identity fraud and identity theft nowadays, someone else may have a credit card out there in your name that you may not be aware of. Equifax and TransUnion allow you once a year to request your credit report, where you can see the credit cards that you have outstanding, and they should match up with what you're aware of. You can also request to have your credit score. And again, if you see a number that seems unusually low in your mind, you can work backwards and figure out what that score is. So the important thing is you want to make sure your score is accurate of your borrowing capacity, and you also want to make sure that there is nobody else out there that has credit cards in your name. So super important to talk about. Feel free to give us a call if we can help.
We'll point you in the right direction, absolutely. Thanks for listening to us today. Take care.
Bye.